Sizlar bilan nereye kira? Assalomu alaykum obunachilar. Va nihoyat yana ko'rishdik. Mana may ham keldi, mana kalkulkasam oz qoldim. Bugun Ibrohimlar qo'rqinchli videolarini reaksiya qilamiz. Albatta bu ingliz tilida. Ingliz tilida shuni yo'magan ketadim. Davay boshladik. Video ko'rsa va like va obuna.
Oh, sounds right.
Dude, what kind of TV show sounds like that?
Do you think the voices could be in your head? Maybe because you miss your family?
I don't know anymore.
Yo! What the hell is that? Hello, Lux Army. Before we start... So for this episode, we received a report pretending to be her. So tonight, we're going to head out to Amazon.
I've had these shoes since I was 5 years old. I wish I could afford new ones.
Bro, if you need money, just click the first link in the description.
Huh? What's that?
The first link in the description will take you to download an app. You'll get your first... I mean, it seems like it. Didn't you see the video she sent us?
Bu narsada qo'rqinch tashlanadigan joy bo'lishadi. Bor kelasi kamerada. Ko'rganmisan? Tashlanadigan joy bor, hali hamma narsani o'rganadi, maxluqlar narsa qiladi. Uyda tashlanadigan joyda maxluqlar bo'ladi. Ko'zdik. Bo'lsa. Shunda ko'rinibdi. O'sha ana qo'tolalibdi-da. Uni ichga kirib olaylik. Video yoqishganmisa albatta like bo'lsa, obuna bo'lsin. Mana may ham keldi, bu katta natijalar. Like bo'lsin, obuna bo'ling. Videolar ko'proq chiqmoqda. Ana qo'tolaymiz. Sabah ketdik. Mana bu nurini ham ko'tarib olaylik. Da, ayni mashi yaxshi.
It's been like the TV making those sounds, right?
Dude, what kind of TV show sounds like that?
I don't know, dude. I'm just sketched out by this.
Right now, let's just worry about getting there and seeing what she has to say.
Alright, wait here. It's this house on the right.
This is it?
Men kanalim Ibofat. Bugundan boshlaymiz yurishni. Obuna qo'yinglar, like bosinglar.
Ishchidan like bosinglar. Like bosmagan ilomiga yurib ketsin. Allohu akbar.
Here we go again.
Okay. Let's go.
Sana bunga obuna qo'ysana.
Alright, let's go now. Hi. Emma? Hi. Are you Emma?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Parker. Can we come in and can we talk?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so Emma, can you tell us more about what you've been hearing at night?
So at night, I hear voices.
What do these voices say to you?
So usually it's just this one voice, and it says, "Emma, it's Mom. Come out of your room."
So you hear your mom's voice?
It sounds like my mom, but I haven't lived with my mom in 4 years. I don't even speak to her anymore.
Wow. So what other kind of voices do you hear?
Well, they sound like my dad and sometimes my grandma and my grandpa. They would only say things that my family would know or they would say.
But you realize that this has to be someone pretending to be your family members, not actually them, right?
I think so, but sometimes it gets too personal.
So have you ever tried to see where these voices are coming from?
Well, it's at the middle of the night and they sound like they're right outside the door. I can't get up and just get to the door.
Because you're too scared to get up.
It's too scary.
Do you think the voices could be in your head? Maybe because you miss your family?
I don't know anymore.
All right, Emma, listen. I know you're going through a really tough time right now, but we're going to help you. I want you to go to sleep normally tonight and act normal. We're going to set up cameras from your house, and we're going to watch a live stream of the cameras on our phone in the car right outside, and we're going to try to find out where these voices are coming from.
Okay, thank you.
Just make sure you lock your bedroom door tonight.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we're waiting in the car right now. It looks Looks like Emma's getting ready to go to sleep.
Yana. Soat 11 kechasi. 11:08. Ayoq tinch.
Dude, we're gonna be waiting here all night.
Bro, we don't have a choice.
Ana guddi. Ana. Yi ko'rib qoldi kamerada, ko'rib qoldi.
Yo, dude, wake up. One of our cameras isn't working.
What? Just switch to another one.
Okay, that's good. Bro, what the hell was that?
Was it a guy?
Yo, quick, switch the camera to the room.
Turn off the audio, see if we can hear anything.
Bakma, mana ekan.
Dude, I don't even know what that thing is.
No, we gotta go stop him. Let's go in.
Qoch o'rniga boradi.
Emma, where is she? Yo, what the hell is that?
It's not Emma.
I'm fine, guys. I don't need your help anymore.
Where's Emma?
I am Emma.
Dude, I hear her screaming.
Yo, we gotta go get her.
Let's go.
What the hell was that thing?
Bro, I don't know. Let's go. Yo, we gotta get out of here, bro. Let's go home. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Let's try to hit 300,000 subscribers. Okay, so let's open up a site. Okay, so from what I can see, there appears to be a lot of different types. This doesn't make any sense.
Wait, click on that one. I want a happy clown.
What are you talking about? They want the clown to be a surprise what the clown looks like?
Real clown. Look at
Bro, I don't think these are...
Lahuru Dark. Eslab tur. Luhuru Dark. Luhuru Dark. Birinchilar videomiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Videomiz yoqqan bo'lsa like bosib, obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Albatta Ibo Fakkanga ham obuna bo'lib qo'ying. Xayr, goodbye.